Hello everyone, welcome to the WooCommerce Product Slider Pro plugin video tutorial series. Today I am going to show you how to display WooCommerce on sale products. Make sure that WooCommerce Product Slider Pro plugin is installed and activated into your site. You can directly click on add new, or you can click all sliders and then click add new to create a new shortcode and give it a title. Below that you will find several configuration tabs to create and customize your product showcase. WooCommerce products can be filtered in so many ways. Sometimes you may want to showcase your on sale products in a slider, grid or table layout. Under the general settings, the first option you get is filter products. There are 18 different filter options available for you. In this video, I am going to talk about on sale products. First, select filter products as on sale. For the on sale filter option, a query has been set to pick up the discounted products in your store. Click show preview and you can see only the discounted products are showing in the slider. If you want to display the on-sale products from a particular category, then you can do so. Just set the category name here after selecting filter product as on sale. Now publish the shortcode and go to a page where you want to display it. Insert the shortcode using the WooCommerce Product Slider Pro Gutenberg block. Select the shortcode and you will get a preview of it. Publish the page and view it. So this is how you can display your store on-sale products in the web pages. Instead of slider layout, you can use grid, masonry or table layout to showcase your on-sale products. You can see an on-sale badge is showing at the top left corner of the products. So this is visible only when you have set discount for the product. If you want, you can customize this on-sale badge from the shortcode. Go back to the shortcode and navigate to display options. Scroll down at the bottom of the page and you can see the option to configure sale and out of stock ribbon. So this is the sale ribbon option. You can show or hide it from here. You can set the sale label as you like. Change the background color. So suppose if I change it to this one and update the shortcode and refresh the page, then you can see the on sale badge color has been changed. So this is how you can display your WooCommerce store on sale products in the web pages. I hope you have got a clear idea about it. In the next video, I will come up with another amazing feature of the plugin. Until then, take care.